Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the managerial grid model. This is a leadership style model and it was developed in 1964 by Robert R. Blake and Jane Mountain. In this grid, Blake and Mountain has taken the Likert scale on x-axis on which he measures the concern for production, and on y-axis they took concern for people. So we know that the left hand side on the x-axis shows the low concern towards production, and at right hand side, as we go move from left to right, we the concern for production increases. So this is the high concern for production. In the same way, on the y axis, as we go from bottom to top, there is a high concern of people, and here is low concern for people. So on with the help of this grid, or we can say Likert scale, we can assess the manager's leadership, that which type of leadership um, should adopt a manager on a given situation. First we should know the coordinates always written in the form x comma y. That means the coordinate for this portion is 1 comma 1, that is 1 point on the x axis and 1 point on the y axis. As we go toward this is on the, we will write first the value of the x axis. So this is the 1 point on the x axis and 9 point on the y axis. This is again a point where the value of x axis is 9 and 9 on the y axis too. At this point the value on the x axis is 9 and the value for the y axis is 1, so 9 comma 1, and in the middle there is a 5 point on the x axis and 5 on the y axis. So with the help of these 5 points, Blake and Mountain categorize the manager's leadership quality. As we can say here, when the coordinate is 1 comma 1, so this shows that the manager is very low concern with the production and low concern with the people. That means that means there will be a laissez-faire. So this type of leadership, they use the term for this 1 comma 1 type leadership, impoverished style of leadership. And here we can see that the manager is very much concerned with the production, but he has no concern for the people. So he used the term for 9 comma 1 type leadership, that produce or perish. And when a manager is moderate concern with the production and moderate concern with the people, that means neither he is very much concerned about the people or the production, not the least, he is just adopting a middle road type situation. So Blake Mountain gave the term for 5 comma 5 type leadership, middle of the road style. For the 5,5 type leadership, he used the term middle of the road style. Now 1,9, that means the manager is least concerned with the production, uh, but very high concern with the people. So this the term for 1,9 type leadership, they use the term country club style. And here 9,9 type leadership, that means the manager is very much concerned with the people as well as very much concerned with the production also. So the term used for this type of leadership is team style. So this is all about the managerial grade. Now if any point is given like 1,9, 9,9, generally this type of questions has been asking in net examination and other competitive exam, where objective answers are given. So with the help of this managerial grid, uh, we can solve easily all those questions. I hope you're gonna like it. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you.